Google TV isn't limited to smart TVs. You can boot it directly from a USB stick. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your trusted source for tech fixes. Google TV isn't just for smart TVs. You can install it on a USB drive and boot it on any PC or laptop. This works by flashing the Google TV ISO to a USB, setting persistence and enabling boot from USB. Once installed, you will have access to the Play Store, YouTube, and all your favorite streaming apps. In this video, we will show you the steps to install Google TV on a USB drive and carry your entertainment anywhere. 1. Download and extract files. To install Google TV on a USB device, you will be requiring these things: Google TV ISO plus storage files, USB drive minimum 16 GB recommended, USB 3.0 preferred, Rufus bootable USB tool, PC or laptop. Now the first thing you need to do is download Google TV ISO package from here. The link is provided in the description. Right-click downloaded file, then extract all. You can use 7-zip or WinRAR to extract the file. After extraction, you will see Google TV ISO. The next thing you need to do is download Rufus. Make sure you download the latest version. Once downloaded, open Rufus. You will not need any sort of installation for this. Next, plug in your USB drive. In Rufus, go to Boot Selection, then choose Google TV ISO. Move Persistent Partition slider, then Max. For partition scheme, choose GPT for modern UEFI PCs. Select MBR for old BIOS PCs. In the file system, choose Large FAT32 default. Click Start, then confirm delete or erase. Wait till the bootable USB is ready. 2. Extend storage. After Rufus finishes, storage will be very small. So here is how you can extend it. This is a very important step and you should not miss out this. Open Start, then go to Disk Management. Locate the USB. Here you will be seeing two partitions: Boot Partition and Persistent Partition. Right-click Persistent Partition, then select Delete Volume. Right-click Unallocated, then select New Simple Volume. Use maximum size, then assign letter. For file system, choose EXFAT or FAT32. Name the volume label. Here we are naming it as New System. Finish and the new system partition will be created. 3. Add storage files. Now go to this PC and open the boot partition drive. Find filesystem.sfs. Now right-click on the file, then cut the file and paste into system partition. Now add storage data file. To do that, head to the extracted Google TV folder. Then open the storage folder. Here you should find different data files starting from 4 GB to 65 GB. Now choose according to the size of your USB device. Extract that file, then copy data file and paste into system partition beside system.sfs. Your USB is now fully ready. 4. Disable secure boot. Google TV won't boot if secure boot is on. So disable secure boot. To check the secure boot status, open Start and look for system information. Open the app and head to System Summary. Now check the secure boot state and find its status. As you can see here, the feature is currently enabled. Now to disable secure boot, you need to enter BIOS. Each PC has a different BIOS key. The general BIOS keys are F1, F2, F9, F10 or Dell, but they will differ as per the motherboard. If you don't know the BIOS key, check the manufacturer's manual and keep it handy. Now follow the process given below to enable secure boot in Windows 11. Keep pressing the BIOS key to enter BIOS. You can also enter BIOS from Windows settings. Press Win+I to enter settings, then select recovery. Next, click on the Restart Now button beside the Advanced Startup option. From the Advanced option, select Troubleshoot. Next, select Advanced option, then select UEFI firmware settings, then Restart. This should help you to enter BIOS or the UEFI settings. Then select Boot, System Configuration or Security tab. Now look for the Secure Boot option. Now here you will have to select the Disable option. Now save and exit by pressing F10 key. If secure boot is grayed out, locate the administrator password option and press enter. Enter a new password and confirm. Save the changes and exit the BIOS. Restart the system and re-enter BIOS. This should fix the secure boot is grayed out issue. You can also follow this guide to know how to enable or disable Windows Secure Boot. Once you disable Secure Boot, you may need to enter your BitLocker recovery key. To know the exact recovery key, visit this website. Enter the key and your screen should get unlocked. 5. Boot Google TV from USB. Now restart PC again. Press Boot menu key. Select the USB drive. Google TV boot menu should appear. Choose Normal kernel for laptop screen. External display kernel for HDMI monitor. Now wait till Google TV loads. Once the Google TV loads, select language, then connect to Wi-Fi. After that, sign in with your Google account. You can also link phone or Google Assistant. Once done, Google TV home screen should appear. After setup, use mouse plus keyboard or compatible remote. Now you can install apps and games from Play Store. You can carry this USB and run Google TV on any PC. Installing Google TV on a USB drive is one of the easiest ways to transform any computer into a streaming powerhouse. By flashing the ISO, configuring persistence, and booting from USB, you gain a portable smart TV environment with access to apps, games, and streaming services. Once set up, you can plug in your USB anywhere and enjoy Google TV instantly. If this video helped you set up Google TV on a USB, hit like, subscribe for more practical tech tutorials, and share your own setup experiences in the comments, because chances are someone else is looking for the same solution. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.